All right, what's up, guys? We are going to fix this plywood issue. There's plywood everywhere in here, and I need a place to store it. We are going to build a rack in that corner that houses 4x8 sheets. For now, it'll have 3 shelves. In the future, I'll probably have 6 total so that we can have different thicknesses or different people or different projects in each section. So let's get started. Okay, for this project, I'm going to use only lumber that I already have, some leftovers from the building, and some found pieces. These are 4x4s. I'm going to take them, run them through the planer to get them not stained, just for consistency. I don't know. I like that they're not stained. After 3 tries with my brother to figure out the dimensions that we need, we figured it out, and I've put the layout on all 4 of these posts. So now we just need to create the shelves. Okay, now that we have all the pieces cut, we're gonna assemble them on the flat concrete and then put them in between the 4 posts and build it that way. All right, it's done, it's up. I fastened it with construction screws, 2.5 inches, and then I have these long 6-inch lag screws that I put in every single connection. It's not going anywhere. Let's do the test. Okay, does that hold me? It holds me there. Holds me there. Okay. The little bounce test, it works. Okay, the last thing is, does it hold plywood? Let's load it up and see what it looks like. There you have it. It is done. What do you think? These marks right here and right here are to add 2 more shelves, and then there's one on top, so 3 total, making it 6 shelves tall. So I built this with all lumber that I had left over from the shop still, which is crazy. But otherwise, it's probably about $200 or $300 worth of lumber and well worth the price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this content, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Give me a comment down below if you think of something that you want to say to me, I guess. I don't know. As always, thanks for watching.